Dear learners, hope you have enjoyed the lesson 2 on supply chain management and its strategies for an organization. Welcome you all to the third lesson on mass customization and supply chain management. The third lesson deals with challenges of mass customization and customization strategies. Now let us see the challenges of mass customization. There are various challenges the organization has to face during mass customization. They are challenges with high cost, adaptation for basic products, replacement and reverse logistics, supply chain optimization. The first one is high cost. The biggest challenge of mass customization is that it is not appropriate for all market customers and products. In most of the products, the customers are not interested in getting a customized product like light or bulb or washing detergent, etc. At the same time, the cost of the customized product is also very high and the customer has to wait for a longer time to get them. The second challenge is adaptation for the basic product. Mass customization is successful for the luxury product such as designer wear and cars. This concept works better for high-end products, whereas mass customization is not economically feasible for most of the business which produces the basic products. In most of the business, profit earned by the customization does not outweigh the complexity and cost of producing the customized product. The next challenge is replacement and reverse logistics. When a customer returns a customized product, it may create a lot of problem for the manufacturers. In most cases, the situation might not arise as the product or designed according to the configuration made by the customers. But if some return takes place, in such a case, the business should have the mechanism to reverse the customized product. Else, it might face many issues because the chance of getting another customer wanting the same product as someone else are too narrow. It may lead to the business to a tricky situation. So, majority of the companies do not have the return policy. The next challenge is supply chain optimization. The major barrier faced by the organization in mass customization is efficient handling of supply chain. It is difficult for the business to handle supply chain in an effective manner since the system of suppliers are already optimized and designed for a prearranged number of products, rather meeting an unforeseen demand. Most of the companies have not integrated the latest supply chain management applications like JIT, automated planning, and it might result in problems of flexibility and visibility. In the current scenario, supply chain is based on push model, whereas mass customization is based on pull model. So, it is very difficult for the business to manage. The problem in supply chain can be solved only when the business can balance between mass customization and mass production to create standard product. The product that is produced can be configured in a manner that they can be customizable in the future. For most of the business, it is not possible and it is not economically feasible to start the customization process at the start of supply chain. It indicates that the business are able to implement mass customization partially. This method is also advantageous for the manufacturers since the concept increases the scope of the product. Also, it helps the manufacturer to meet the needs of different types of consumers market. This method introduces a new target market for the manufacturer and allow them to explore the possibility of manufacturing products for them. Next comes the customization strategies. Lampel and Mintzberg during the year 1996 has proposed 5 customization strategies where the customer can define the product specification at the operation stage. The 5 customization strategies are pure standardization, segmented standardization, customized standardization, tailored customization, and pure customization. 4 stages are considered such as design, fabrication, assembly, and distribution. The shaded stage represents standardization and the unshaded stage represents customization. So the first type is pure standardization. In pure standardization, the product is not customized for the customers. The company pushes the product as how it is manufactured. In all the 4 stages, the company maintains standardization. The customer also buy them as offered by the company. The next one is segmented standardization. In segmented standardization, the customer does not have the direct influence on the final product. The customer has to choose between options the vendor decide to offer. In segmented standardization, there is higher degree of flexibility. The customers can influence on the distribution process. The next type is customized standardization. The customer can influence on the final product by choosing between standardized components is called customized standardization. The production remains standardized in design and fabrication process, whereas the process is customized in the assemble and distribution process where the customer specifications are met. The next is tailored customization. Tailored customization occurs when the customer has the ability to alter the specification of the product to some extent during fabrication stage. In tailored customization, the standardization is maintained in the design stage and the product is customized from fabrication stage to the distribution stage. And the last is pure customization. Pure customization occurs only when the customers can interfere on design stage itself. The entire process is customized for the customers according to their requirements. Conclusion: mass customization is relatively new phenomena gaining acceptance by many companies. As the marketplace continues to evolve and technologies provide greater abilities for the manufacturer, mass customization should continue to grow. In recent years, mass customization has gained the growing attention of different industries. One of the major obstacles for the companies going for mass customization is to design their mass customization manufacturing system. Mass customization manufacturing system should mainly focus on flexibility with customers and quick responsiveness to individual customer order. It is based on balance between pure customization and mass production. The success of customized product manufacturing is dependent on the product and process development. It also addresses the importance of leveraging basic choice offerings and wide variety offerings. With this basic understanding of challenges of mass customization and customization strategy, a small exercise for you. Identify any 2 organizations that adapt tailored customization strategies. Thank you.